1920s. According to the Alexander von Humboldt, the species richness increases up to a certain limit, and beyond that limit, the species richness is not observed there. The species richness not found up to a certain limit. It get increases up to only certain limit. Here, the graphical representations of a species area relationship. The questions always asked. The graph for the species area relationship. For many species, it is always present in a rectangular hyperbola fashion. So, this is the shape. That is a rectangular hyperbola fashion. So, in this graph, this S stands for a species richness. A stands for A, area under study, or the sector which is under study. C is considered, this C is considered as y-intercept, means the straight line curve, straight line graph is not from the start zero limit, and Z is known as a slope of line. Log S. So from these graphical representations, we get the equation here. Log S is equal to Z log A. So this is the general equations. S is equal to C as Z. And if you take the logarithmic logrammatic representations manners, if you take the log from both these sides, log S is equal to log C Z log A. So this is the equation generally we get from this species area relationship. From these graphical representations, one point is concluded there. Species according to the area. If the area is a larger size, then the species richness also more. If the area or sector is smaller in size, then the species richness is also less there. Area get increases, in that proportion species richness is also get increases, but up to certain limit. After crossing that limit or beyond that limit, species richness generally not find out. So on logrammatic scale, the relations of a species area is always a straight line. When we take these relations in logrammatic value, it is always a straight line. For small area, value of Z regions between 0.1 to 0.2, and for the large area this value get changed there. It may be ranges from 0.5 up to the 0.15. Slopes are closer to the vertical axis. This is a vertical axis, and slopes closer to the vertical axis generally they shows the steeper or steepness. So this is the graphical representations which shows the relations of a species area.